Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can extract the text from images using your browser only. You don't need any third-party application for the same. Now in order to do that, just simply go to the google.com in your any of the browser that you have been using. You can do the same over your smartphone as well. Once you do that, just simply in the search bar you can see this icon which is the icon of Google Lens which says search by image. Just simply tap over there and here it says drag an image or open the image. Just open the image, browse the image and open the image for your same. For example, if I'm using this image, once I open it, you can see it get processed. I can even translate it here, and now here you can see I can easily copy the text over my image. And you can just simply hit copy, or you can even pronounce it by saying listening, by tapping on listening, or you can even translate the same. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.